celebrating 40 years of skilling youth and empowering the nation.
It's very difficult to react the journey of Yashasvi. Lot of ups and downs, but the vision was clear, the mission was clear, and happy to see that Yashasvi is moving towards the achieving its goal to serve for the society, to serve for the students who are basically from the socio-economic background, to develop the parallel education system in India for the poor people who cannot afford the education and have the dreams and have the career to be enhanced. It is a really proud moment Yashasvi could contribute into it, and I look forward for much better and much more contribution for developing the nation and developing the parallel education system in India.
सुरुवातीला माझं BSc बायोटेक्नॉलॉजी कंप्लीट झालं,
परंतु जॉबचं इतकी खतरनाक कंडिशन होती की मला जॉब लवकर भेटतच नव्हता. त्यानंतर मला यशस्वी संस्थेमार्फत माहिती पडली, एक जाहिरात बघितली होती आणि यशस्वीचं चिंचवडचं ऑफिस आहे तिथे जाऊन भेटलो. तिथे माझी रिक्वायरमेंट दिली, माझ्या एज्युकेशनबद्दल सांगितलं.
त्यानंतर 2 वर्षासाठी यशस्वी ग्रुपतर्फे अप्रेंटिस नेक्स्ट या अप्रेंटिसमध्ये काम केलं 2 वर्ष.
तेव्हा मला स्टायपेंड 14,000 रुपये भेटत होता. 2 वर्षाचा मी नीम ट्रेनिंग पिरियड कंप्लीट केल्यानंतर सिरम इन्स्टिट्यूटने मला ऑन रोल ऑफर केला. त्याच्यानंतर मला आता सॅलरी 33,000 भेटते, इन हँड भेटते.
माझ्यासारख्या ग्रामीण भागातून आलेल्या मुलासाठी यशस्वी संस्थेमुळे मी आता त्या कंपनीमध्ये ऑन रोल आहे. त्यामुळे मी यशस्वी संस्थेचे आभार मानतो.
Over 40 years, we have placed more than 3 lakh youth in various organizations, skilling the youth of India.
Yashasvi Group has been pioneering skill development through the German dual education model in India for over a decade. Enhancing the importance of vocational education and uplifting its social status has always been our aim. Aligning our forces with the Honorable Prime Minister's inclination towards skill development, Yashasvi strives to imbibe vocational education in parallel to the conventional degree education to enhance the employability of our young generation. India has the largest youth population. Skilling them will be a giant leap towards becoming an economic superpower. It has been a wonderful journey with constructive support from various government bodies and a boosted alliance from the industry. Yashasvi Group shall continue to be its efforts towards benefiting and enskilling the youth of our nation.
Continuing to lead the change for generations to come.